Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And in this video, we actually have an update for the timeline for launching FXRP and the F asset protocol on the Flare network. We're jumping in straight here with Hugo, who says that this is a post from June, by the way, very early June. He says, just an update. We are waiting for one audit report, and also because they want to launch with a very big bang, the Firelight platform needs to be ready so that once FXRP does go live, they have that momentum for people to really utilize FXRP in a strong way. Now, if we go back here, I actually asked for an update from Hugo, and I said, is the audit complete? If so, what was the result? Are we just waiting for Firelight now? And we know that he knows, and fortunately, he did reply to us. And if we go here, this is the update. He said that much stronger than expected institutional demand at launch for XRP-Fi on Flare has meant that we have to extend the F asset audit process. We expect the audit for FXRP to come back at the beginning of August. Assuming it comes back without any issues, we would look to an early August launch. So that is it from Hugo. He's expecting FXRP to be available early to mid-August. This is absolutely incredible news. And you know what Hugo is famous for saying? Measure twice, cut once. And I think this is just really goes to show, to highlight that fact. Institutional demand is really a big thing and everything needs to be watertight. We've got Vivo Power that's looking to utilize F assets. We've got Uphold, and I'm sure there are many other companies that are looking to earn a yield on the XRP. So that is the video. It is just a quick update to keep you all posted. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.